I can feel my arms round too. And so the clock then looks at me, and I look back and I and he. Each single morning when we rise, just exercise and exercise, just exercise and exercise.
You do exercise like a clock and keep healthy always. Thank you.